Hello learners. Welcome back to the Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. With the sales and distribution module complete, we now enter one of the most important modules in any ERP: finance, accounting and reporting management, FARM. This module is the financial engine of Lighthouse ERP and powers every business decision. What this module is about? The FARM module helps organizations track their complete financial position, payments, receipts, expenses, assets, liabilities, and profitability. It eliminates manual calculations and ensures error-free, real-time financial reporting. Lighthouse ERP records every financial transaction securely, integrates it with all business modules, and gives accurate dashboards for management. The core processes you will learn. In this module, we will cover all the major day-to-day accounting processes that every finance user handles inside Lighthouse ERP. These include receipts and payments, bank payment, bank receivable, cash payment, cash receipt, accounts receivable processing. These transactions help track incoming and outgoing funds and maintain accurate bank and cash balances. Credit notes and debit notes. Credit note, PCRNT, purchase, credit note, SCRNT, sales, debit note, PDRNT, purchase, debit note, SDRNT, sales. These entries help businesses adjust overbilling, discounts, returns, and financial corrections. General accounting activities. General expenses entry. Journal voucher, for manual or adjustment entries. Opening balance entry, for migration and year start data. These form the foundation of accurate ledger management. Purchase return process. Handling financial entries for materials returned to the vendor. Repair bill entry. Recording expenses and entries against repair-related activities. Additional features of FARM module. Along with day-to-day transactions, this module also includes important financial functions like general ledger and chart of accounts, AP and AR management, taxation configuration, GST, TDS, TCS, VAT, etc., bank reconciliation, asset accounting, budgeting and cost control, production costing, audit utilities, LC and loan management. Each of these features helps organizations maintain financial transparency and take informed decisions. Why this module is important? With complete automation, the FAR module helps businesses avoid calculation errors, maintain compliance, track real-time financial data, and generate accurate P&L and balance sheet reports. It brings visibility, control, and trust into financial operations. This was the overview of the finance, accounting and reporting module in Lighthouse ERP. From the next video onward, we'll begin with the first core process, starting with cash and bank transactions. See you in the next video, learners.